So good afternoon ladies and gents, I hope you're doing well. My name is Roman here at Coventry Isuzu, a part of the Greenfield Motor Company. We've got a new addition to the fleet that has just landed with us. We have spoken to many of you over the phone in regards to the new Isuzu commercial truck. Fortunately it has only just got to us, so as we have promised, we are just going to give you a quick video, sort of a generic video to all of our customers that have been interested. Just basically running you around the car, the vehicle in depth, telling you about all the differences, the pros, the cons. Obviously there has been quite a lot of marketing currently for this particular vehicle. So you'll realise from the front there's not actually the massive changes in design compared to the V-Cross, but then as we delve further into the video you'll realise there is a big difference when you sort of get around to the back, and quite substantial amounts of difference in terms of benefits and costs. It is just a great all-rounder in all fairness. Finished in this lovely white colour. This is our demonstrator. So after this video, if you do have any interest or would like to come down and see it or get some quotes, then please do make us aware. We are here more or less 24/7, 8:30 to 6 PM on a weekday, and we are also in on the weekend, so please do just let us know. So again, start from the front. Normal sort of things. So full LED headlights come standard on these commercial trucks. Nice little design on the grille with this cross stitch, which is fantastic. Again, this one hasn't been plated as of yet, as it has only just come off the trailer into stock. And then as you sort of move around the truck, you'll realise it's still got the similar sort of features to a V-Cross. So you've still got your 18-inch grey alloy wheels, obviously four-wheel drive with this. So suspension setup, everything on this truck is absolutely brilliant. And again, the tax perks on this as well are fantastic, because obviously it is classed as business use car. Especially it is fully VAT qualifying as well, so you can claim your VAT back through the company, which some people also have some questions around, but I can assure you this is fantastic. So just moving down the side then, again, not too much difference from here. You've still got your standard sort of grey side step, which comes on top spec D-Max at the minute. And then onto your back tyre again, 18 inches, nice off-road tyres on them, so no worries with traction. Right, so this is the big change. So when we come round to the back, again, you'll probably see the big change in all fairness. So with the commercial, you get sort of fully loaded, comes with a big old canopy on the back, already pre-installed. Also, tow bar underneath there with all your electrics put in there. So it is fantastic. Now this particular one, again, they all obviously do come with 2 keys. So still got all the keys on here. You get all these little extra keys really, just for these canopies. So all I've already done it, is all you do is open them up, hit the button here, and the whole point of this canopy, to help with aid with storage, is all the sides will open up like butterfly doors or butterfly wings. So if I do the same here, just open that one up, and then obviously open that up. Also comes pre-installed with a load liner as well as part of the commercial, which is fantastic. Again, no need to mess about, just straight into it as soon as your order comes, and you're more or less straight into sort of using it for whatever it is that you do need to be using it for. So again, storage space pretty similar to the current one, just with a lovely canopy already installed, but you can see nice and secure, bolts with all the locks obviously, and then you'll also see in a minute the difference in the middle part section. But again, load liner already attached, all nice strong durable materials. You can't go wrong at all in all fairness. So if you just give me 1 second, I'm just going to demonstrate how to open these. So key, just go straight in, open. Same with this side on here, straight in, open. Then all you do, click those buttons in, and it's as easy as lift up. So if you are sort of using it for trade or business, that sort of accessibility is much easier than your standard canopy, because obviously this is quite limited, and to be fair, it just looks great. It looks much sleeker than sort of your typical one. And then all you do, shut them down, and you just fold them in, and they want to go in, and they just click like so. And onto the back again, you've got your nice little D-Max commercial branding now, so people will know you're driving around a commercial, and it just looks absolutely phenomenal, to be fair. So I'm just going to quickly shut this one as well. Again, just clips all in place. Same on this side. same again. Now, again, nice little design on the sides, side steps and whatnot. So if I just take you onto the inside now, this is where you're going to see another major difference, and you will see why it benefits so much in terms of tax as well. Now, opening the back doors, if you are a person that needs a lot of storage for business use, then no back seats. Now this is obviously the key difference with these. You've got a nice lovely durable material on the bed in the back. You've also obviously got these strap parts where you can strap on any sort of loose really just whatever you use, really, just sort of equipment or anything like that. You've got these nice little doors down the bottom, which again, all you do just twist and open, and then if you look into there, you've got more storage underneath there. So in terms of space, in all fairness, if you are using it for, obviously, which you more than likely will be, for business use, you can't complain with the space because it's absolutely fantastic. And it is a change, it is obviously different, but again, this is the way we're sort of going. And now the engine is currently on, just because I'm just letting it warm up. Now you've got two keys, they can be in your pocket. These have still got covers on, so nice keys as well. Now all you have to do normally if the truck's shut, click this button, there's me as well. All you do, opens it up, and then you're into the front. Now 2 seats only, obviously, as part of the commercial, but standard sort of stuff. You've got your V-Cross branded mats, and then obviously as you look into the dashboard and all of your trims, it's just a really nice luxurious finish, in all fairness. Nice big screen, just for all your infotainment, with your nice digital analog as well there on your clocks. Now these also obviously come with Isuzu branded seat covers as well as part of the package, which is fantastic, just to keep that sort of mud and staining off these lovely leather seats behind, because they are absolutely fantastic as well. In terms of sort of comfort, they are very comfortable to be honest, and yeah, they're just fantastic. So if I just quickly jump in, lock that door, ignore the miles per gallon. The truck's just been sat here since it's been bought. Now as you can see, 9 miles on the odometer because it's only delivery miles. No fuel left, which is typical in the motor trade. So if any of you are particularly interested in a test drive, please do make us aware. Obviously this is going up as a demonstrator, so we'd be more than happy to sort of get you in, see what you think to it in person, and sort of talk numbers and get you on a drive to see exactly what you're sort of after, even if it's just for a coffee or a chat. You know, we're all a very friendly team here. We all work together as quite a small team, in all fairness, but we're all lovely, I promise you. So onto the sort of main stuff then now. All your aircon controls, nice and easy to use, which is one of the perks of the Isuzu. Again, a lot of people, besides manufacturers, are going away from physical buttons, which we are aware is a big change, and it is the future, in all fairness. But it's nice to see there is still quite a few buttons inside the Isuzu truck. Again, fully electric windows as well, so even though there's obviously no back seats, you can still open those rear windows if you do want a bit of extra room in there. And then another great feature as well is that you're not fully blocked out into the middle part. You've got a nice little cage there, which again is strong, durable, doesn't make any noise whilst you're driving, but you can still see into the back, and the privacy glass on the rear obviously also just gives it extra privacy in case people are looking in. It is much harder, nice to sort of keep everything secure. So gear shifter, if I put that into reverse, again you get a reversing camera as standard on these as well, which is fantastic, with the towing hitch in the bottom you can see there. So big old thing these trucks are, just nice, just for that extra sort of convenience really, just so you can park a bit easier. And then on here you've got, it's the top of the range truck, in all fairness, so you've got your adaptive cruise controls and cruise control settings there. The adaptive cruise is excellent piece of kit as well, and then you can obviously adjust all the differences on there as normal. And then again, your normal headlights and stuff are on that side, and then wipers all on the right hand side. Now on the screen, these do come equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, as again the world's sort of moving towards that sort of scene at the minute. So you can connect your phone straight up, and you have the alternative of either using your phone on the screens or using the internal systems as well. again, just needs a bit of setting up because it hasn't had the chance to as of yet. It will be getting plated and whatnot soon. Then obviously you've got all your heated seat controls down here, so you've got heated passenger and driver's seat with all your sort of terrain settings on there, so you can change the four-wheel drive options if you're going through sort of mud, snow, whatever it may be. And you've got your nice little scroll there to do the same sort of thing. As I'm sure you guys are aware, that will be getting used quite a bit if you are using it for business. And then you've got a little bit there which will just clip down, and you've got some storage for whatever it is you may need, papers, phone, that sort of thing. Nice two little cup holders in there, a little bit of storage space at the back here as well, which is fantastic. And then you've got your little glove box there with your armrest, which is fantastic. Into the glove box, in case I haven't gone through all the specification enough, which we do anyway in person or in handover. If you do have any questions, please do let us know. It's got a big old book full of information there in case there is any sort of gadgets that you're sort of struggling to get sort of used to. But we are always also here as well. A nice little other bit of space at the top there, so it's all just a very nice build quality. Now that is it from me as of yet. If there's anything I haven't covered which you're after, please do let me know. And then other than that, this is the truck, so we look forward to hopefully greeting and seeing some of you very, very soon. And there's the auto lock just locking the truck by itself, and hopefully we will see you soon. So take care, all the best, and bye bye.